learn something new, like the probabilistic programming. What I think to learn today. So for that, uh, I think to do something like she's checking out some of the articles and lectures from the YouTube, and also searching some of the libraries by which we can do the probabilistic coding and that kind of thing. But my first idea is to learn about it and make outline of it. So yeah, that's the thing. And what I think to do is just do a Google search. Yeah, it's a long since I go live. Like due to some reason, I cannot go live, and also I was doing some shifting and other kind of thing. So yeah, that's why I cannot go live. But now I think I can go live, and yeah. So that's probabilistic learning, and I think there is some difference between probabilistic learning and probabilistic coding. Like if I search with probabilistic programming, it will refer you something a programming paradigm, and you can use the probabilistic models. Yeah, so let's check the Wikipedia first. As you know that Wikipedia is a good source, and also I checked out previously the Cornell.edu notes, and yeah, it's a pretty interesting site which you can check out. And also there is some other things which I absolutely check them out. And also know that the Bayesian bias has a mm, great effect on the probability and probability filters. So yeah, that's I will take a look at that. And if I go to the probabilistic programming, basically a probabilistic paradigm in which the probabilistic models are specified and inference for this performed automatically presents an attempt to unify probabilistic model and traditional general purpose. Okay, basically they're combining the probabilistic modeling and traditional general purpose programming, like a programming language like Python, in which you can code the probabilistic models and use them for their like sole purpose, creating like solving a problem. That's the main thing. And apart from that, they have many applications. You can see some of them predicting stock prices and recommending movies, and also diagnosing computers, detecting cyber intrusions and image detection. Okay, and probably those are the some of the things we can do with the probabilistic programming. Now, my favorite language is Python, so it's good that I will try with Python. And I think Python has a module for that. Okay, they have the pomegranate for this kind of modeling, and also I think they have the Lia. Okay, I will take a look at that as well. And also you can choose any kind of module. Okay, not this. I'm going to search with the keyword. Let me search this. Okay, it's a Python package. Probably I will use that to do some coding, and as well as there is the Stan. So far, I think Stan is a good package. I think I contribute, like I try to, like I got first introduction in the GSOC, like uh, I try to learn about the project, then I come across to this stand. This stand basically a nice probabilistic module which we can use. I think this is called PyStan. Yeah, the PyStan is a really good module to do. And what I think that if you want to choose the probabilistic programming and you want to get start, you can use three of this module like the PyStan, Pomegranate, and Lia. These are the like sole packages in Python which we can use. And yeah, there is some other packages which we can use, but I will use this because you can see that this is a native pomegranate is a Python and extends to Python. Stan basically a C++ Python, or I think it's now extended to the PyStan. So yeah, that's the probabilistic thing we can use. Okay, I think there is some. This is the programming paradigm, but I need to check out some of the. Okay, I think let's check out a article or something like that. I think this is a good one to check. Okay, it's by the ODLA. Okay, so what is probabilistic? Probabilistic languages can free develop. Okay, it's basically for the inference, and I think I need to check out the inference because sometimes I forget what is inference. Inference meaning a conclusion based on the evidence and reason. Okay, basically inference means that by which you can get some of the experience or inferring something or learning something from that previous experience. Inference meaning in probability. Okay, statistical inference is the process of using data analysis to infer properties of an underlying distribution of probability. What's properties of a population? Okay, so that's the meaning of inference. I think, yeah, but this is a good one. No, I don't want to. Okay, it's a garbage. So what I understand is that inference is just a thing where you can infer something from that. But yeah, I will check the video as well because I think